Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw a football, baseball, and a soccer ball. And these are simple enough without sketching, so let's just get started with a Sharpie. Alright, so let's start out with the football, and to draw the football, it's just basically an almond shape. So we could draw one big curve going side to side. So this is going to be one side. And then once you have that, we're going to draw in the same curve on the bottom. And I know this is a little bit tricky because it's always hard to draw things symmetrical. Okay, so it's all freehand, so it's going to be a little bit lopsided. And then once you have this almond shape, we're going to draw two lines coming straight down. The spacing is about this, so it's a lot smaller on this side. And then to finish off the stripe, I'm going to draw one more line. So these are the two white stripes, and then for the grip area, we're going to draw from here, just draw one little curve like that from side to side. And then for the little cross stitching here, we're going to start out in the middle. Let's draw another one at the end. And then the inside, in between, I'm just going to fit in two. I know my spacing is a little bit off, but it's okay. Alright, so that's pretty much it for the football, so it's nice and easy. And then now for the baseball, it's even easier. So for the baseball, I'm just going to draw in a circle. And again, this is the hardest part, is trying to draw a circle. Again, then once you have the circle, I'm going to draw another curve going from top to bottom. And then on this side, I'm going to draw in a smaller curve, so it's a little bit straighter. And then once I have those two lines, let's add in the stitching. So just basically like a little angle. Just follow that line, go all the way across. Or if you want, you can draw different sides first and then finish it out on the other side. And then on this side here, we'll be angling down. So same thing, just go all the way up. Alright, so that's pretty much it for the baseball, and if you want to add in any kind of text or logos in there, you can put it inside there. Alright, so now let's finish it off with the soccer ball. And again, this is the hardest part. Draw the circle. It's okay if it's lopsided. Alright, and then for the details inside, I know there's different designs, but let's try this one first. So I'm going to start here. Just draw one line across on the top. And then I'm going to angle it down on each side. So I'm basically trying to draw a pentagon. And then on the bottom here, I'm going to pinch it in a little angle. Okay, and then once you have this shape here, I'm going to draw in the little bars in between. So on this side here, just draw another line. And then from here, just angle it out. Okay, so let's come across and draw this side, the opposite side. So same line, angle it out. And then on the top here, one line, and same thing here, just angle it, should be the same as this. Okay, and then two more. So on the bottom, same angle as this. This one's gonna come down. And then last one, same as this line, angle it. So this area right here is going to be all black, and I'll show it to you once I color it. So that is it for these football, soccer ball, and baseball. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.